हे दोस्तों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे ह्यूमन एनाटॉमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी फर्स्ट का नेक्स्ट टॉपिक एनाटॉमी ऑफ ईयर एंड इट्स फिजियोलॉजी। एनाटॉमी ऑफ ईयर हम पढ़ते हैं उसका स्ट्रक्चर, हमारे ईयर का स्ट्रक्चर कैसे होता है। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद ऑरिकल और द पिन्ना। पिन्ना इज द आउटरमोस्ट लेयर विच वी कैन सी विद आवर नेकेड आईज। Pinna is also known as auricle. Auricle or pinna has its two parts, helix the uppermost part and lobule the lowermost part. Then there is a auditory canal, or you can say external auditory canal, in which cerumen
मस्त बोलिए।
So here is external auditory canal which is present, and there is cerumen. Cerumen means which is earwax. Earwax क्या होता है हमारा, जो हमारे ईयर में प्रोड्यूस होता है फ्रॉम सेरुमिनस ग्लैंड। ये 2 नंबर के क्वेश्चन में भी पूछा गया है लेटेस्ट 2019-20 पेपर में AKTU के, कि व्हाट इज द सेरुमेन, मतलब व्हाट इज द ग्लैंड विच सिक्रेट सेरुमेन। ओके, बिसाइड्स एक्सटर्नल ऑडिटरी कैनाल देयर इज टेम्पोरल बोन्स विच गिव इट्स लोकेशन। तो हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा, ऑरिकल, ऑरिकल के 2 पार्ट, हेलिक्स द अपरमोस्ट एंड लॉब्यूल द लोअरमोस्ट। देन वी सी एक्सटर्नल ऑडिटरी कैनाल इन विच सेरुमेन और सेरुमिनेशियस ग्लैंड्स आर प्रेजेंट which secretes ear wax. Then there is external auditory canal and there is tympanic membrane which is also known as ear drum. So besides ear drum there is malleus, incus, stapes. Together they are known as auditory ossicles or the bones of ear. Then there is stapes which is fixed or located in oval window. Besides oval window there is round window. There are 3 semicircular canals and cochlea, the oval-like shaped or snail-shaped like cochlea. तो जो nerves होती हैं like from vestibular और cochlea, it form one nerve which is known as vestibulocochlear nerve, which transmits signals to our brain and it is a cranial nerve. Vestibule cochlea से जो nerves होती हैं, it transmits signal from ear to brain and the nerve is known as vestibulocochlear nerve. This is auditory tube and it goes to nasopharynx. तो अभी हम पढ़ते हैं physiology of ear, like how our sounds interprets brain. तो when sounds enters, it come in the form of vibration. It goes through external auditory canal and then strikes to tympanic membrane. Then tympanic membrane or eardrum send vibration to malleus, incus and then stapes. Then stapes vibrate the oval window and produces some vibration which further goes to 3 semicircular canals, 1, 2 and 3. Then these semicircular canals produce vibration to vestibule. This is location is known as vestibule. There are many receptors which is present in cochleas. These receptors are like hair-like receptor which transmit or receives these vibration and interpret sounds. These sounds and vibration send signals to vestibulocochlear nerves and it produces to cranial. It is a cranial nerve which produces signal in brain. Then brain interpret this signal and send location or send information to our human body which interprets our sound. So how is the passage from auricle to external auditory canal, then tympanic membrane, malleus, incus, stapes, 3 semicircular canal, vestibule, cochlea, and there are receptor present in there and it sends signals through vestibulocochlear nerve to brain. So this is the whole physiology of ear. डायग्राम में हमने एक एक चीज़ हमने पढ़ ली है, एक बार रिपीट सी द ओवरव्यू ऑफ फुल एनाटॉमी ऑफ ईयर एंड फिजियोलॉजी। हेलिक्स द अपरमोस्ट पार्ट, लॉब्यूल द लोअरमोस्ट पार्ट एंड द ईयर और पिन्ना विच वी कैन सी थ्रू आवर आईज इज नोन एज ऑरिकल. Then there is external auditory canal or from where temporal bone is there besides it, and there is cerumen which produces earwax or cerumen produced by ceruminous gland. Then there is tympanic membrane or ear drum. Then there is 3 bones or you can collectively called as auditory ossicles, malleus, incus and stapes. Stapes is fit in oval window and there is some small round window present in it. Then there is auditory tube and it goes to nasopharynx. These are three semicircular canals, and this is vestibula. Vestibula has two parts, utricle and saccule. Utricle, the nearmost to semicircular canal, and saccule far away from it. Then there is cochlea, snail-like structure, and it is vestibulocochlear nerve. Vestibulocochlear nerve which transmits signals to brain, and it is a cranial nerve. So it's all about anatomy of ear and physiology. You can take screenshot for your notes. Thank you.